Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to do a flip through of Soaring with spelling and vocabulary. We'll be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I've been homeschooling since 2012. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you lots of tips and tricks and things I have learned of all of my years of homeschooling. If you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Okay, Soaring with spelling. I am so excited to use it this year. I've never used it before, but I love Growing with Grammar, and the same publishers that make Soaring with Spelling also make Growing with Grammar. So I've been looking for a spelling vocabulary curriculum type all in one, and I found it with Soaring with Spelling and vocabulary. So I'm so excited to use it this year. This will be our first year using it. So let's get started on the flip through. All right, here is our flip through of Soaring with Spelling and Vocabulary, Level 6. I am so excited. This is our first year that we are using this. I came across it when I was ordering Bailey's Growing with Grammar. I love the Growing with Grammar so much that I wanted to try this year after looking at some of their samples, and I think it's going to be an excellent program for us. So it comes with the workbook and an answer sheet. And so we go to, there's a lesson you have to do every day. And it just tells you how to use the program, days 1 through 5. And then it tells you each lesson, like it tells you right here, lesson 1 is compound words. So we'll just go to lesson 1. And here is lesson 1, day 1. And here are the words right here. They're written in print and also in cursive. And here's the definition of each of them. And then you can turn it over and take a pre-test. So if your child already knows how to spell the words, you don't have to keep focusing on those words. You can move to the words that they don't know how to spell. So here is the pre-test. And if they miss words on the pre-test, here is the correction area. And then you turn it over to lesson 2. Here we are working on the guide words for dictionaries. This works on their dictionary skills. So let's see, and we go to day 3. And here are some more activities going along with the vocabulary words and spelling words. And there's some copy work in here. And then day 4, here's the definition work. They have to write which word goes along with which definition on here. And then on day 5, this is where they take their final test. This is the spelling test for the week. Like I said, I have not used this curriculum before, but I'm super excited about it. So I will give you an update on how that is going once we've gotten into it. And here is our level 6 answer key that we just go to. And here it just tells you all of this list of words to call out for their pretest and all the day's answers. And that's when we go to lesson 2, it shows you that. So stay tuned for an update on how we are enjoying this Soaring with Spelling and Vocabulary Level 6. I hope you have found this video to be helpful, to be informative. I hope it has helped you see the curriculum like you want. If it hasn't answered all of your questions, drop me a comment down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the curriculum. I will also leave a link down in the description box below if you want to find out more about it, or if you want to order your own curriculum. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.